Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Jovision camera and confirming the LED shows ready. This tells you the unit has completed boot. Next, install the Jovision app on your phone and grant camera, location, and storage permissions so the app can detect devices. Once done, make sure your phone is connected to the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network the camera will use. Jovision often won't pair on 5 GHz. Now open the app and tap Add Device to begin pairing. You'll now choose the pairing method the app recommends. QR scan for quick setup or access point mode if QR fails. Position your phone showing the generated QR code in front of the camera lens, or switch the camera to AP mode and connect your phone to the camera's temporary hotspot. When prompted, type the Wi-Fi SSID and password exactly as they appear. Upper and lowercase characters differ because authentication depends on precise credentials. Then let the camera receive. Finish by naming the camera and creating a strong device password to secure access. Enabling encrypted streaming if offered adds protection. Update the camera firmware from the app before heavy use, then open the live view to confirm video and audio. If the feed fails after 2 pairing attempts, perform a hardware reset to restore defaults, confirm router DHCP is enabled, and retry setup in AP mode. If problems persist, reboot router and phone. Then repeat the pairing sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.